My Tupperware consultant has sent me a prize. I wonder what's in this package. I'm excited. It's a participation prize for her VIP group. I'll link that in the description of this video, and you can learn about flash sales, limited time offers, and special activities such as things that you too could have a chance to earn something. What is it? Have you ever played that game where you try to feel what it is? It's kind of rectangular, kind of long. I don't know. Pretty packaging that it's in too. But enough suspense. Let's find out.
What kinds of Tupperware do you have or wish you had? Drop down a comment to this video and let me know. Anything that's this size? What could it be? Thanks also for subscribing to this channel and checking out my art tutorials playlist for fun mixed media art journaling and other creative projects. Welcome!
Congratulations on being a prize winner. Awesome little personalized note, and we are getting closer to finding out what it is. Oh, wow. I have so many other pieces from the Clearly Elegant collection. Clearly Elegant Tupperware collection looks like glass, but it's plastic, so it's non-breakable. This is one of the condiment pourers, I believe is what it's called. Let's open it up and take a look. Love the size, love the material, love that it matches my other pieces. Yay, I'm so excited. Just a minute, I will look up the actual title of this and let you know a little bit more. I found it in the catalog. Here it is. This is called Tilt and Serve Dispensers. And I missed the cap in here. There it is. So let's learn about this Tupperware.
I'm already picturing homemade salad dressing in here with all the spices showing through.
It says features a self-opening cap. Oh, that's so cool. Can you see how the white part flips open when I pour? That's really awesome. It's a spout designed for dripless pouring, perfect for oil, vinegar, soy sauce. Absolutely love it. I have all of these other Clearly Elegant pieces. I'll link the rest of my Clearly Elegant tour videos in the description of this video. This is a really nice piece. Thank you so much. This is 11 ounces. Can't wait to use it. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson, a mixed media art teacher who has also discovered Tupperware.